I might capture the package. What is the name of the company? Because we always butchering the company names up.
SUPWEE?
I know, right? So I was explaining to them that this is, I don't remember if it was a 6-piece polish set. It's by SUPWEE, and Tangi is opening. Is it okay if I say your name?
That's fine.
Tangi is going to open this for us. It looks like it is an 8 polish. And then we're going to do swatches on them. Go ahead, girl. Look at her doing that Vanna White thing. Yeah, Infra, just keep doing that. So they're getting the feel of doing an unboxing. And I know that these are reflective glitter polishes because a lot of the customers that are coming in are requesting holiday nails. You did a red set.
Yes, I did a red set.
And you did green shimmer, right?
Yeah.
She said don't laugh at her hands.
Under construction.
I think they're cute. She said do that again.
Under construction.
We always make sure that we read the instructions, okay? Because each product is not going to do the same thing. Like some polishes cure for different times, and these being glitter, that should be something that you should be looking for, because they may have a different curing time. Okay, so Cynthia's gonna do the swatches. This silver. What's the next color?
This looks like a purplish blue.
A purplish blue. Holiday color. So yeah, a lot of requests for shimmers and glitters and the red. And you know what's been surprising me? The 2 ladies that wanted the lime green, because I guess this year the big thing with the Grinch, right?
Yeah. This one is the purple. This one is more pink. This one was like a bluish purple. A little bit more blue, but
oh, okay.
Purple in it.
The reflectiveness of the glitter. Look at that glitter.
Oh, gorgeous. I'm really liking that blue. For some reason, it's popping out to me. This blue right here. Let's see.
So
this
you
that
guys,
midnight blue. Oh yeah. Yep.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's
so
really
here's the thing. You guys can do a straight manicure with this and don't even need any type of bling or no.
Oh yeah, that's
you show this. Would you like this kind of? Would you like this?
Yeah.
Especially on Saturday.
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh.
This red baby. Why are you playing? Yeah. Yeah. That's good.
Oh, that is pretty.
Yeah.
So we'll have this out here, because guess what? Miss Tommy, y'all, wait a minute. I got to tell y'all this, okay? I have to say this in my video because I never would have expected myself to be called Miss Tommy. SUPWEE 8-color reflective polish. I'll have a link for it in my description box. But yeah, we're going to be using these during services on Saturdays. Hey guys. Oh, and they talked me into staying. I was going to be leaving. I'm letting them know. They talked me into staying. I was about to leave and go home. And they're like, you ain't got but another hour? Uh-oh. One of the girls got blooming gel. Bam! She got the Beatles blooming gel.